line, right? Okay. Oh, yes. My bad. Yeah. What's up, everyone? Here I am at the Tunnel Trail in Santa Barbara, California, just high up in the mountains. I shuttled this ride with my friend JC. I parked my car here at the start of the trailhead, and then my friend JC's car is down at the bottom of Jesusita trailhead. So we ride downhill at the Tunnel Trail, then we ride uphill through the Inspiration Point Trail, and then we go a little bit more up to reach Jesusita Trail, and at some point go down Jesusita to end our ride there. So altogether, it's about an 11-mile downhill ride. And without further ado, let's see what this trail has to offer. Okay. Oh, nice little flow right here. Okay. I heard that the Cold Springs Trail is not as much technical compared to this trail, so we'll see if that's true. Okay. Okay, already starting off chunky. The hell? Okay, wow. Crazy. Gotta follow the natural line. Oh, the hell? Okay. Chunk after chunk. Oh my god. Whoa. Damn. So much stress on the tires. What the hell? Bounce after bounce. Oh yeah? Okay. Oh, damn. Wow, crazy. This is on a whole nother level. Well, have a good one. Thank you. Oh, what the hell is this? Man, feel it in the tires. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh shit. Off-roading for reals. Oh my god. Okay. Whoa. I think I got it. Okay. Yes. Oh. Man, my tires are beat up for sure. Man, it's crazy. Okay. Wow, this definitely tops off Cold Springs Trail that I did last week. Much more chunkier. Wow. So much loose rock everywhere. Okay. Oh my god. Nice. Dude, that was crazy.
Hold on.
Wow.
Oh my god.
And I thought Cold Springs Trail was crazy last week.
No, yeah. Chunkier.
Yeah, this is so much more chunky.
Oh, it got stuck there. My front wheel caught into that big hole.
I know, it's like you really have to pick the line right here.
Get not super fast, but a little bit of speed. So if it's too slow, you're just gonna get into a hole and then just eat it.
Pretty much, yeah. Yeah, just letting gravity do its thing and just balancing it as much as possible. Right?
Yep.
Let's do it. Man, I really gotta pick the line right. Pick the really horrible line. I don't know why it went that way, but to each is their own. Okay. Picking the line right. Crazy already. Okay. I feel like it's gonna get crazier as we keep going down. What the hell? Oh yeah, not too bad. Bunch of loose rock here. Okay, let's go. Oh wow, look at this. Okay. Whew. Just free coasting it at this point. Whoa. Oh shit. Let me try that one again. Let me reset. Sorry.
You're good.
This one's a little bit tight to one way. Let's go through this tight section right here. Okay. Oh shit. Oh yes. Knew it. God damn. Wow. Damn, that was crazy. Can't believe I did that. Yeah, wasn't that tight? Yeah. Okay.
That was.
I know that was tight, right?
Yeah.
For sure.
And down there you need a little bit of speed.
A little bit, yeah. I'll go down. Okay. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh, what the hell? Okay. I think I got that.
Whoa. Holy shit.
Let me bring my gears low for this. I mean, high. The easiest one, I mean.
Oh, wow. Super tight here.
Alright.
Oh, yeah. You can hit it from here.
Oh, yeah. I think so.
That will hit your bottom back there.
Oh, yeah. Tie my shoe. Wow. Alright, I'll give it a try. Oh, yes. Oh. Oh. Wow. Damn. This is crazy. Oh my god, look at this view. This is sick. Right literally off of the edge of a cliff.
Traction there.
Oh, tough, huh?
Yeah.
Dang, I know, that wasn't easy.
Been hitting here and there.
I don't blame you. It's just a bunch of boulders everywhere. Right? Yeah, look at the size of this thing. I mean, it looks a little bit more tame from here compared to that.
Oh, thank God.
Right? Alright, let's continue. Wow, this was one crazy place. Looks like it's getting a little bit crazy again, I think. So much loose rock everywhere. Wow, nice. Between these rocks, yes. Bunch of rocks. Oh, damn. Let me try again. More rocks to come. Really loose everywhere. Oh, ho, ho. Crazy. My bad.
You good?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah. I went the wider turn. Actually, let me put this rock back. I think somewhere here. I'll leave it there. Still good. What is this? Oh. Okay, in between these boulders, yes. I can't believe I made it through. Okay, crazy wants to come. Yes. Oh. Damn. Wow. Okay. Yes, I went in between them. I know that one's tight right there. I don't know how I managed to get in between that. So narrow here. Oh yeah, maybe a different line from that one. Okay. Okay, really good so far. Okay, a little bit more manageable here. Okay. Oh, snap. Right, crazy. Okay. Okay, very good so far. Okay. Okay. Oh, wow. So crazy. It's starting to get more loose here. Okay, gotta hug this side of the area. Okay. Wow. Really crazy rock gardens there. Whoa, nice. Okay. Oh, oh my God. Crazy. Bump after bump. Damn. Oh my God. Forearms are getting a big workout here. Oh,
Hey, see?
Sure. This wraps up part 1 of riding down the tunnel trailhead. Part 2 will come out soon after this video, which will cover the last half of this trail. And then part 3 will come out, which will cover going down Jesucita trail. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like mountain biking related content like this.